Hello.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to be using LAMP to ask the question of where do we like to go,
Go.
or where
Where?
did you go,
Go.
or where
Where?
are you going?
Going.
Okay, so in LAMP we're going to start out with, if you don't have this board at home, you can ask your teacher for it or your speech therapist for it. We've made it available for them, but this board is called the Where board, and it's a board that you can hang up in your house. And here you'll notice there are some blanks. You can cut out a wrapper, or you can print a picture from Google of some of the different places that you might like to go to. But without even doing that, you can also just point to restaurants. If you go somewhere to like Chick-fil-A or to Moe's, you can just touch restaurants. Okay, now on your device, you can touch go, and then on the board, touch the place where you're going to go. So if it's time for bed, you can say go and then touch bed. It's time for us to go to bed. Where are we going to go next? Let's see. It's time for us to go. Watch TV. Or for some of you, you're now getting ready to go to school. Or maybe you're not going to school, but maybe you're going to grandma's house. So in order to find places on your device, I want to show you down here at the bottom, there are two different things you can do. If you have a device with LAMP on it, you could touch the frog, the go button, and then your places are going to be up at the top of your screen, or you can touch live. So let me show you that. Now, if we are going to go to school, I can do go and then touch go again. And then up at the top, these are different places that I might go. So I told you I was getting ready to go to school. Okay, so that's one way I can do it. So let's try that one more time. Go, and then school. Right? So I touch go to say go, and then I can touch go again to find some of the different places that I might go to. Notice that little button there that was gray up at the top? So when I touch go, you see this button that's a different color? That button actually links out to other buttons. So when I touch that, I get some different buildings up here. All right, now the other button that I could touch, so I could say go. Let's do that one more time. Go. And then I could touch that house right there to get some other places. And I've got places in my house, like if I wanted to go to the bathroom. Or if I wanted to go to bed.
Bedroom.
Living room, dining room, and now, again, I have more locations up here. So if I touch this, now I actually get additional places here. Okay? So, go. And I can touch my house, and now I get different places in my house, some different places in my school.
Bedroom.
Okay, so you can now ask the question, where are you going? Now I've got go, goes, going. Where are you going?
We're going.
Notice that I didn't have to make a complete sentence. I don't have to say, where are you going? Because my child is just starting out with this. So I just want to model 1 to 2 words. If my child is only using 1 word, then I'm going to model 2 words. If my child is using 2 words, then I might model 3 words. I want to go just one step above where they are. So if my child is at a 2-word level right now, so they might say go play, or they might say go bed, or they might say go school, then I might say, when I'm talking to them, I might say, where are you going to eat? Where going eat?
We're going eat.
And then they might answer, go. And they might say eat, or they might say, and then come up here to my places and say school, or they might go up here. Here's some different types of food I might eat.
Mexican food.
So I am going to model for my child when I talk to them and ask them a question. I'm going to model. So I'm going to say, hey, where are we going?
Go.
Where are we going to go today? And then to answer, I'm going to say, guess what? Today we are going, and I want to say school, so I'm going to go back to here.
School.
To school. All right, now I'm going to tell you goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'll see you next time.